Today we are making burdock radish soup. Burdock radish soup is a traditional medicinal meal. Burdock radish soup is believed to have the effects of clearing heat and detoxifying, nourishing in and moistening dryness in traditional Chinese medicine. Burdock and radish clearing away heat and detoxifies. Carrots can increase the luster of the skin and prevent folliculitis and dermatitis. Mushroom can nourish the skin. The combination of the four ingredients can promote the metabolism of the skin and make the skin soft and shiny. Burdock root is cool in nature, sweet in taste, rich in dietary fiber and various nutrients, such as potassium, calcium, and vitamin B1. It is often used to treat symptoms such as thirst, dry mouth, sore throat, and heat-toxic disease. Carrots are rich in carotene and vitamin A, B, C, potassium, and other ingredients. In traditional Chinese medicine, they have many functions such as nourishing liver, kidney, skin, nourishing in and dryness, nourishing blood and beautifying skin, beautifying lung and relieving cough, lowering blood fat, strengthening spleen, and appetizing. White radish is rich in water and minerals, a variety of cellulose, vitamin C, and potassium, and other ingredients. In traditional Chinese medicine, it is considered to have a variety of effects, including diuresis and swelling, tonifying the stomach, moistening the lung, and relieving cough. It is suitable for the treatment of edema, urinary tract infection, cough, asthma, and tonifying stomach, prevent constipation, dry mouth, thirst, and dry skin. Mushroom contain a variety of amino acids, agastrol, linolenic acid, minerals, and polysaccharides. It is believed to have a variety of effects in traditional Chinese medicine, including invigorating the spleen and appetizing, nourishing the liver and kidney, and nourishing in, moisturizing dryness, regulate the immune system, lower blood fat. It is suitable for treating loss of appetite, indigestion, liver and kidney deficiency, lowering blood fat, and preventing and treating cardiovascular disease. To make the soup, wash the white radish and carrot. Peel and cut into pieces. Brush the burdock to remove the skin. Wash and cut into pieces. Wash the mushroom, soak until soft and set aside. Put all ingredients into a pot. Add appropriate amount of water and bring to a boil over high heat. Turn to low heat and continue cooking until cooked and soft. Then add salt to taste.